Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Sunday. I'm here in Quezon. I'm here in my hometown where I live. I'm here in Real Quezon. This is the road going to Manila. And then going to Infanta Quezon. And going to my house. Going to Manila. And then this is the ocean. Okay, I go down, going to the ocean. Oops, oops. Careful, careful. Nita. Hello, everyone. Good morning. I'm here in Real, in my hometown. So I show you the ocean nearest in uh, our house, where, where, where I stay. Good morning, everyone. My family, just my family, my relatives, my to all my friends. Hope you enjoy watching and this video. Sorry if I can make video every day because sometimes I'm not go anywhere for taking a video. But now I am sure you're going to love this place. So I will show you. That front is a island. The name of that island is Baluti. That is Baluti Island. So it's not too far from here. If you want to go there, you need to ride a boat. Yeah, from there, from Real. So it's not too far from here also. And this is my hometown, the nearest of this ocean. So sometimes people don't go on the beaches. There have a lot of cottages. Sometimes excuse me, they are coming in this place like this. They are coming and bring the food, the mat, and sometimes they are picnic here. So no need cottages because it's okay for swimming here for free in this place, but no more sand. No more sand in this place. But at least no more pay. No need to pay because it's free. This old tree. Um, I so so sometimes I think I come in here and swimming. Um, here here is the ocean. I'm here in the ocean. Um, to show you all over the, that's the place where I live. So I'm here. I'm here to take a video even I have no, I am not already wash my face. Oh, sorry. Um, okay. I am here. Oh my gosh. I don't wanna hold you down. I don't want. Hello everyone. Hope you enjoy watching on my video showing you ocean nearest in my house in no, my sister's house, not mine. Sorry. Where I live. Yeah. So this is the ocean where I live here in Quezon. Okay.